Good evening, viewers, and welcome to yet another edition of our this important program on this COVID-19 issue. We have guests from different denominations from this country. We have on my far right, Mr. Jibril Gando Balde, who is a health officer, and immediately we have Madam Aisa Tamba, who is also the secretary or the president or program officer, Network of Journalists on Disaster Risk Reduction. And we also have Mr. Chorno Omar Bob from the Point newspaper, who is also the secretary general of the Disaster Risk Reduction. Gentlemen and lady, welcome to this program. As I introduced initially, we are talking on this COVID-19, which is a global pandemic. Gambia is not an exception in this. Our condolences to our colleagues and other nationals who are in the country who succumb to this pandemic. We are praying to the Almighty Allah at least to give some assist to the family members. Well, Mr. Gando, I will start with you because this is a health issue that is affecting every Gambian at the moment. What is this situation now in this country?
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum, viewers and my colleagues on the panel here. I am Jibril Gando Balde, as he rightly mentioned, member of the COVID-19 Risk Communication Committee, and also a staff of the Ministry of Health under the Directorate of Health Promotion and Education, the communication unit in particular. So as far as the COVID-19 is concerned, for us, the Ministry of Health, that is under the Directorate of Health Promotion and Education, with the leadership of Mr. Modou Njai, we started sensitization regarding COVID-19 way back in December, when it was just emerged in China, Wuhan, where this virus started from. And then in January, we continued, February, till March, Gambia have their first confirmed case, 17th March 2020, which entered this country on the 16th or on the 15th of March. So since then, we have been producing reports for the situational report, we call it the SITREP. And from then, the 17th of March to date, yesterday's report is the 128th situational report that we have come out with. And then in that situational report, we will have the updates as far as how many cases, new cases we have, and how many deaths are registered as far as new deaths are concerned. So as far as that 128 SITREP situational report is concerned, we have 183 new cases confirmed as of yesterday. So this is the latest as of yesterday. And then out of that 183, we get it from samples collected from 401 people. So that means the test positive rate now is at 40%, meaning out of every 100 that we are testing, 40 people are testing positive, so which is on the high side. So meaning if we are 4 in number here, for example, if 40% is positive, meaning at least 1 out of every 4 is positive. 1 out of every 4 Gambians is positive. So because we are talking about 40%, it's very close to 50-50, whereby if 4 of us should be tested, it's only 10% that is left, so that 2 of you will be negative and 2 of us will be positive. So when we are talking about a 40% test positive rate, that it can be translated into this, whereby you say out of every 4, 1 is positive. If it is 5 people, out of every 5, 2 are positive. So only 3 are negative. That is very high. So close to 50-50. So that is the situation as far as the test rate, positive rate is concerned. And when, according to the 120th situational report also, we are made to understand that 9 new deaths have been registered, adding our total death tally to 63 as a country. And if you also look at this death, it is increasing in a very fast rate, because when you look at the date, today is on the 17th of August. Look back on our report, 17th of July, and you will notice that 17th July, we were having under 10 deaths. Under 10 deaths. So in 1 month, how many? We have 40 new deaths added, only in 1 month. And that took us almost 5 months to get 10 deaths. Now in 1 month, we are registering around 40 deaths. So, because sometimes in a daily report, we will hear 10 deaths, 4 deaths, and today 9 deaths. Only in 3 days, we have registered 20 deaths. So which is on the high side, meaning people should be more vigilant, people should be more cautious, people should be more careful to go out there. We have to assess whether necessarily we have to go out or not. And the measures that we also should take to make sure we protect ourselves, we should reinforce on that measures, especially with the face masks. We should put on face masks, yes, but there should be proper maintenance of face masks. Wearing of face masks alone can increase your risk if you are not taking care of that face mask. Because one face mask, you want to wear it 5 days without washing it a single day. That's not the advice. So you are wearing face masks, yes, but maybe just for you to be not captured by the police. That's the reason they are putting on the face mask. So they don't care whether every day they wash these face masks. And these face masks can be everywhere. It can pick the virus or darts from everywhere. So it needs to be maintained if you want to be protected from infection from COVID. So going back to the 128th report, we have now known the number of deaths. And out of the 9 deaths, 6 are male, 3 are female. And now the death rate also is at 3.4%, meaning out of every 100 people, 3 people are dying. And that is also on the high side, because Gambia is a small country with a small population. So that being the case, now the total number of cases confirmed in the country have been now taken to 1,872. 1,872, that's our total number of cases. But for me, what I learned from these cases is that out of the 100,800 cases, around 60% of it is youths, or almost 75% is under the age of youth, maybe from 40 to 30 to 20. Because if you look at the statistics, what we have here, as far as the sex distribution, age and sex distribution is concerned for confirmed cases, those who are between the ages of 41 and 50, they scored male recorded 211 confirmed cases and female 106. But when you go back again to the age category from 30 to 40, male category 306 positive and female category 206. 7. So 306, 207, you are talking about 500, only between the ages of 30 and 40. Now coming to the ages of 40 and 50, you are talking about another almost 500 people. So almost 1,000 out of the 1,800 are within the age bracket of 50 to 30. So which is alarming, because, and the issue why it's alarming is that though in the death rate, the people who are dying, they are mostly 63 years, 70 years, 80 years. Those are the people dying. Because if you look at that number of people who have the virus, who are within that age category, what we call the elderly, from 70 above, they are 43 in the male category and 35 in the female category, making it a total of around 78 people infected within that age category. but most of the death also are within that age category. So, but when you look the burden of the cases, the bulk of the cases, of the confirmed cases, are within the youthful age category, the active age. And these are the people who will go out. The elderly, they don't go out. Most of their activities have been limited. Some are retired. The mosques and the churches where they go to worship have been closed. But you can see the risk is brought to them by this young cohort who will go out from the compound, go to work, go to fend some things, go to markets, and all that, both in the male and the female category. And then when they come, they put this elderly at risk if they are transmitted the virus, and then they are already having these diabetes, high blood, and other complications, and it, increase their risk of dying, due to COVID-related problems.
Thank you very much, Mr. Balde. I think I will come back to you later. Yeah. Madam Aisa, as far as the journalist is concerned, sensitization is another important component of this issue. How far are the journalists going on this issue?
First of all, the network of journalists on disaster risk reduction actually took it upon to ourselves when we see the cases numbers going higher and higher. We were actually sponsored by GCCI when our sensitization on this COVID-19. Well, sensitization is really important. So we actually did, we sensitized community radios. We targeted the local people, community radios, and all over the regions. So sensitization is really important when we're talking about stigma, misinformation. As journalists, we need to know that this is misinformation. Sometimes people use this social medias to say there are so many conspiracy theories in this COVID-19. So as journalists, we need to sensitize people on these situations. That's why the network we took it upon to ourselves to sensitize people is really important. Misinformation and discriminations, sometimes some people will go to quarantine. After they leave the quarantine places, people will run away from them. And this is something that we really need to sensitize people, to make people understand. And sometimes you hear people saying, oh, this is overseas, people cannot have this in Africa, we have youths, it does not affect youths. We hear what Mr. Gando say here, that it's also affecting youth in the Gambia more than any other place. So this is really something that we need to sensitize, we need to tell people about it. Actually, at the Standard newspaper, I'm following the COVID cases. Like he said, the numbers are getting high, and it's so scary. This is so scary because you don't know who is having it. And we really need to tell people that you don't really need to wait until you're sick to have a test. Make sure you go and test. Whenever have met someone, or you know someone, or you have a close contact with someone who had it, you should go and test yourself. It's really important. It's not that when you have COVID, you're going to die. No, but it's better to go to, the early prevention is better. So you go and check yourself. It's really important. Regularly, people should go and check ourselves, especially at this stage that we are right now. We are at the stage right now that you don't know, like he said, 1 out of 4 might be positive of COVID-19. So it's really important for us to go and check ourselves. It's really important. We have places where we check ourselves. So that is what the network is doing, to sensitize people and tell people what COVID-19 is. And this is related to disaster. This is related to disaster. This is we have economic crisis, and the World Food Program is telling us that about 300 million people will be starving at the end of 2020. So middle-class people, poor people, middle-class people. So this is really important for us to sensitize people, tell people that this is related to COVID-19. And then now we're having raining season here. We have flood everywhere. So all these are things that are affecting our societies. And we really need to tell people that this is serious and we need to take it really serious. It's not only in the combos. We tell people, oh, it's only in the combos. Other places, no, we're not affected. No. People travel, so it's really important. And if you're non-essential traveling, just post it for the meanwhile and make people, you need to respect this, especially when the government have imposed a state of emergency. We need to respect it. This is a world crisis. That's why it's called a pandemic, and we need to respect it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Bob, the denial syndrome. People are still denying in the population that this is not happening. Some are saying that this is combo disease. When you go to the provinces, they will tell you that this disease is only isolated to Kombo. What is your take about this issue?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Baji. Like you said, there is still denial, but I will tell people that COVID-19 is real and it's killing people, and it's in the Gambia here. So people need to take this virus seriously and know that it is something real. So this was why our network, with financial support from the Gambia Chamber of Commerce, embarked on sensitization to targeting community radios, where we went and talked to people on the virus, the symptoms, how to prevent yourself. And what we did was, knowing that most of these people in the local communities, they speak the local languages, so we use the local languages. Like any community that we go to, we try to find out the language that people mostly use. So we use that language to communicate to them, tell them that COVID-19 is real, it's killing people in the country, and then they need to take it seriously. Our first engagement was held in Buyam Community Radio. From there, we went to Jara Soma, we went to Bansang, as well as Kerawan in Nyomi to sensitize people on COVID-19. And I think the sensitization is working because people are now taking it seriously. We have seen people dying of the disease, like Mr. Balde just said. The recent report that was published yesterday, we have 9 people who died from this virus, which is the highest recorded cases in a day. So this goes to tell that people need to take this virus seriously. Government have put in different measures to see that we contain the virus, but still now we've seen cases increasing on a daily basis. So definitely people need to take this virus seriously and then adhere to the WHO and Ministry of Health guidelines to see that we protect ourselves and our families and the population at large.
Thank you very much. Mr. Balde, I'm coming back to you, but I think we have to take the local languages as far as the population is concerned, because it's very important. Mbadingolo mbal konton na bake kombe ngamon fo jang kachabi wolem COVID-19 nyun kurango mbe kering amamotu amamo kari fanan oto hakiltu wolem abe kerin ne ndung Mr. Gando fele memet lon ko abe do ko la loptano to fen jamal babulu kibar kumma me alon ko wala sindila molla kaytandi nyin kurango be kasaro men kekan bare nga gandi nga programme o yele nga duale ke nga ala dani men yalon ko ala nata wol min joduya nyin kurango la kola alama ala yam fuima ela dimbali men tu koma alama wachuloni sabarota Mr. Balde pour ka fo mbadi malinka moy lalu anin adiamula mun situation re kono be as far as COVID-19 is concerned at the moment.
Yeah, baraka bake na brother comme ya fa ñamen dorong mbading lamay lal jiwer lal telem albadingo Jibril Gando Balde membotali jararo bundato Minister of Health beddo ko la damento lem Directorate of Health Promotion and Education di melbe marling jata kendia kibaro janjando ana londola pour mo Gambia kono jang. So nabi siyo dunja mea sabu wolem COVID-19 kachati adum do committee fanan kono le ka fame risk communication and community engagement COVID-19 response. So mbe wole kachala jang and adum be ya kalamuta nyame coronavirus kurango mtol Minister of Health under the communication unit nga kachadati junale kabrin December findita China drong bayrin tol lelbe maraling jata kende akibaro janjandola na karandiro so ntol ya start wawato la kabrin December nata fo January February mbakang kamol kalamutandin mnala taman serolti wala nyim balakandolti nyin totolti anin nyin niji kolea wato nganyil lel fonung tankarola bundato du wato nga melfonu wolem ha mo be sa kata ngambulol ku bulol ye senea ngana bulol di nyola nga jamfa nyola fanan nyulle yamarol ti nung wato December January February nga yamarol men di bari kuol nata fo saying yaje falingol sotota fo sa nga fo ko nga maxiñol dung bari yamarola folo dula ma fo no molie max dung sa ngaje molie maxi dung so ñul be mu kulalti me yalon ko e kame itandi wala mtalla do ko kibaro kana ñamen falingol kake ñamen tol fanan na kibarol ka faling wala ñama so wala ya sabu fo bimbe wati kono me yalon ko ye dulal sorong wati la ko fiul be dunta so ñing kame itandi rek wala ko yamaro kana ñamen aka depend situation la problème la wajabo abe ñamen yamarol fanan katna wala ñama so kabra bota 17th of March 2020 moli first case soto Gambia même follow coronavirus ku rango soto anata on the 15th of March kabra bota wala nga report start ka bondi fo bila kunung nga 128th report ole bondi wala kemeni muang report tunjango nga wala bondi kunung adu report kono nga men karanje wala yen karandi men naje wala ko mo kononto wala niyo fote niyo la ñing courant kono ñing kunung report kono yeme yitandi adung womo konontol kono ya itandi mo la ko mo men sango ba dumala wobe sanji tannani nun fula adum men keba ate be kono wobe sanji tang sei anin saba so ñing kam yitandi wolem ñing courant sayang amandindin suute aman keba suute because sanji tannan num fula obo funding ke yalto hani sayang aman futa folo tanji tallulu fo taworo fo tan señol so nga karandi je fananko iko ke woro ani musu saba wole nyimona konontol la kontoke so nga mem fanan karandi nying ifango to sayang wala nyimona no ni akafu aninna mo tambiringol mel fote niol la sayang Gambia mfota mo taworo anin saballa mo taworo anin saba wollel fote niola ñing coronavirus couranto woto mbadingol medialon ko il fote badin sutungol la mba fole talal alama la jango soni alema adun alama itol fanan ko duno kunneto so mbe duala wo talal ye because amandia ha modol ikolati na ka foko corona man soto feka imbadingo wole man fa ifango ya lon ko ya teste iko ñing corona le amuta ni aussi faje rek ite balanna ko coronavirus courant amanke courant me alon ka sotota so adu ñul ntol ya jele adu nga jele ko tenke wati ni wati so ñumu kulati me alon ko mobe hakilo nyante hakilo to ato because ni ajube ñim mo nani fata kunu dorang bari ni ajube ntol la Gambia jang kabo March April May June mo nanga mo mem fata ama mo tansi bari July ning August tema mo tannani nin feng fata je kare kelingo kono ngamen konti adu ika alkamo na reportol kono kunung mo kononto kunung ko mo nani kunung ko ba mo tang wo mu jelleti mo wannin saba so tili saba kono dorong woto nyimu kulete me alan ko mo be nyanta ki hakiltu ato mo be nyanta ka try ye fantanka yela family tanka because nying abe tembe dal to me alon ko sang mo bele niyo bije mo bele nyanta ka kato kije kaje ko nga bayna nyim banko kan ala sawun sa kuntuno nyamen so ni nata keso la karola mo mel testeta mo keme nani mo taworo nim fulanga wala teste kunun o keme nani taworo nim fulol kono mo keme mo tansey nin saba wol ye courant suute wol bala so yaaje mo keme nani taworo nin fula wala testeta mo keme nin tansey anin saba wol ya soto so 183 ni o bondi 462 kono ibaje la ko men nanga mo tutaji amansia so ni o hayma ibaje la ko na positive test rate ika tubabol ka fo me positive test rate wo be 40% ning kombe o faramfansila wolem ko natara keme o keme a testeta gambianol kono wala mol melbe banko kan tannano be ya soto so na testo nyinala fankoti sang so akamuta natarantol mo nanol melbe jang studio kono wala mo lulu be jang nimbe testeta mo fulol wol ba sotolale sabol wol lel betula nataral mo nani lem sabol betulale bar kilingo bay fo so ba sotolale so nyine be sate kono woto nying anyanta kame itani momo la wolen ko woto kurango hanna man tarantela bara abbe mola membe mbala because sen kurango kata nyamen abe mo jamale la because kemo keme tannani akamuta tandoron ne abali pour ka fo kemo keme tallulu
well, half population half
so akamuta 40% of the population natara sateo be testeta sang but ni ajibe nyin testero 1872 wollel positive tan ngamel testé adunia ajibe Gambia kono kabring nyin kurango datidula fo bi ngamo nangamo men testé atata for 9,000 people. You understand? So out of that 9,000, 1,872 were positive. So what the Gambia population will be tested because 9,000 you minus 1,000, almost 800, you are left with nothing less than 60% or 70%. So the 20% is positive. So nyilem na report oti adu ninata Africa fanang because say ngajele kurang wato ikafo kurang buka dung Africa bari ngajele abe dungkang Africa abe Africa nol mutakang abe Africa nol fakang adung meyentol gena jakal wato ngafo ko funding kel inyul buka kurang soto bari nyintol yenying kibaro situational report nying ay me yitandi ikaje ko dindingol la karola funding kel la karola sa siata wollel kono katambi sanna mo dolti comme melbe tanji tallulu kata tan woro kata tanji tan seynol so ni ajibe kabo tanji tannani kata fo sanji tallulu kewol melia soto keme fula ani mo tannen keleng natara musol la karola lem mo keme ani woro ni wol fulol kafu obita fo keme nani nyaw so ni nata mol melbe sanji tan saba kata sanji tannani la o hapo mol melbe o hapoto ikaje kewol la karola keme saba ani woro mo keme saba ni woro kewol drong melbe sanji tan saba ani tan nani
wala funding ke
fondi ke yato adunia ta mutol la karola keme fula ani warawula so ni nyim fulol be nyami ye be kafu akat mutako natara Gambian do la 1800 cases nga wala soto 1000 o be abe nying funding ke groupe wala kon sanji tannani kata tallulu sanji tan saba kata tannani woto ndolla 3/4 almost 65% natara kemolem talante taworo ni lulo be funding kel wolle courant soto bari ni nata sayala karola ni nata sayala karola mo taworo ni sabam fota wala folo wolle fote niol ni wol la nangamo jibe ibajala lako wol melbe sanji taworo tan warawla tan sey wollel be bankam bardi nata jibe nyin ke bala mol wol muka finti jama nyin dindingol mele alonko itollel ka courant soto ha bayri balo be kendiaring I jato be saharing itol courant mebi ate fano la tarinke bari itniya dundi suwol kon ya dundi ke bal kan na wol muradra ko wol terema faale so nyinne be situation wala be kering wala dam be yamaro dila youth wala mbonyol gonte fam woldi pour ngang hakiltu nyin courant nanna tanin na nga tala because nimmo woke rek nganna alfa lel dundi problème o kono because nin courant nin tol na tata na nata ay muta maybe was asikeno ntel nsa fenkenole nsa keleno nsufol be kendiaring be yongding bari ninga sawna alfa la comme mbamal mamanyol mbinki wol mbarin wol maybe wol na yatara doning high blood be nyola wala diabetes ifajale ko be courant nying waja bindila o mari tole adu namang demaro soto juna ibajalale asa min jiyo joyano adu be wala je kan wala be siya kan because ni ajibe comme nga fo nyame in curriculum mo tannani o be banta adu ibe testeta e coronavirus courant suute bala adu nyimmo ko non tol fanan mel banta wala nyimmo taworol anin saba mel banta jama ni tata foy bantaleng nka hakil fula soto la kuoto ngani teste ni la sampulota adu niya ta ifurema wato len kanaje ko yara fang coronavirus kurang ya soto jan ni be fala go ni mo konontol i mo seyol be ye tastela jan kabri fata fu kapare mo kilne tasteta me yalon ko afata woto mol mel yalon ko kurang soto bentol bulu jaralo la wal man tara bankande mol mel ya soto i man na testero la i mela status long abe wollel faka
wala mtonyati thank you very much abaraka baki Mr. Gando Aisa you can speak in Jola Mandinka okay comme nga fo nyamen e ba gela ko comme journaliste be tembo mento kapa sensitization la karola do ku balem because amandia pour ka kibaro di molla sada kibaro mi alon ko abe ni tembo to this about this coronavirus mum challenge le be atol albe mem face kan as far as this COVID-19 sensitization campaign is concerned. And also, kamol mem la fureuta ibadingol bul men yalon ko yin corona soto ali mum challenges le soto o molu ya men yalon ko jama keke problème wolati pour Red Cross e bale
yalo ne baraka bake Mr. Badji kum kuwol ka koliya bake ne niya jiwe iwo modol mola especially new WhatsApp jamano mol wa telefonol tala momo yela on fenko fansum miraro fo e ba dol ba fala hani ni manke Afrika kurangoti ni kurangota mol falano ni muntu wa kurangolati ya understand wo mume andung challenges la mi alon ko comme mol mal la fi dol bukal iman la fi la lala sasa nyina bado amela badu ngomuta bare modol la badu ngabi bulle folani ne kafuko mol buga hani fam pour katalo vitano te kafuko ni tata iba fule ko iti covid satale ya understand but foi sata like miss nyami for na colleague me for jang ni manta maybe sasa nyin si batandi most of the time mol mil fata ni test fako pare le kalon ko ye corona satale that is so challenging foko pare yana nen tol mu muslimo lati in kafuko nyenta mbadi ngo baade lam fongo yele nyanta ka salindi la anin ka kudol fananke wo fana is a big challenge pour mol mil ka baade ro ka gal mol kana health workers it katara work folane comme this is nyimun challenges lati gal kana and it's so serious that to the matter of comme doliye banne ye ibanne iman song puru katalo pitano to ya understand and ni manta iwa modo batandi kanne iwa family nyim fana batandi kanne mi nyimi mu ise pandemic lati amantara Gambia dorang affect kan aba dunia mu mela affect kan that's why WHO ya for pandemic but comme ni ikane la moy WhatsApp la ay ila mo la fo ta doctoro la aya foye mum ila problem noti ta lopitano to because itol la long di kanel le moy WhatsApp mol kamen fo ya fuko nyinam dol ba fala lajo lemnoming teaming ma fa man betiade but talo vitano to doctoro ya fuye mimba kering munne la problem noti isalong ibe fan tankala nyam ani ibe fan jara la nyame nakete you have to be on isolation inyanta tala la pitano to inyanta tara ifan sunye ye fo ye kendia it's tara nonje amanke ko momo mi corona soto inyanta falale ya understand so mol nyanta wo fana understand le dol ba fulo ko oh ikan idata population o nyin talala le wo mu me man soto amanke to nyati andum win tol journalist wala nan lafto ko wulle pour ka fu molie ko manyana kan la moyla internet auto inyante la moyla health workers min yalan ko wol mum professional orti wala itol loddo koti itol karanta wala itol la long dina hanin tol journalist min yalan kon tol ba fala atelier so tol nyant wala nan tol ka sensitization o nyinke pour ka nyinke but just conspiracy theories nyeng mol kam fo telephone anen momo yala miralo fo amun challenge that especially in Africa here we have this notion the only you believe me sort of we have to change it, we have to adopt. Sometimes we have to adopt ni aje maka ye hajo nyin fenke moltala because yalla ne kurango nyimba nyami itol fona yere doctorol sotole melia research nyinke yalong abanyami wala tine imalla fi ka rix nyintala ye dunia mu me bendi foko pare courant ni yena wajabi ya understand dunia mume kono andu amanke comme sasa damati ñi mum fengo mi yalan ko aba mulla economy ñi fanan tiñakane economy ñi ba tiñakane so World Food Program ya fole comme about 300,000 people bulba lakla domoro lale which means comme middle class people it could be anyone yeah understand and African we are poor we're in the third world countries. So near will mume jibe that all the 300 million people who will be lacking food by the end of 2020, domoro fang iba min domola will lack la wala. That is really sad. Yinyantalo na wala nyama kon nyimu fengomi alanko a serious tale. It's really serious and moma nyana nyentala ifangoy. Inyantalo nale kom alala Kenya lam fanang kom bare nga songala kaba kirine nga dua ay sasani yata bare fanan alinga doctorol la ku fengol la moy
baraka bake. Thank you very much. Mr. Bob, stigmatization is also another problem that is affecting our role here as journalists. What really is affecting the people?
Yeah, I think stigmatization, we should do away with it because nobody is immune to this virus. It's a virus that anyone can contract. So what we should do is when someone has the virus, we should help the person, counsel him, guide him, assist him, motivate him, and then not stigmatize the person, because if you stigmatize the person, it might affect him. But with people's help, counseling, that could help the person in recovering quickly. We've seen the virus not only affecting ordinary people, we've seen it affecting journalists, health workers. So this goes to tell that nobody is immune to the disease. So we should help one another when someone has the virus and do away with the stigma.
Mr. Balde, nginin kardolo bijami alonko isolation because wato ngajele ko niya fenke dolong ika samba alkamol samba mene alonko ike samba dula dolto quarantine ye mutaje pour que tester kalon fo abela fo atela o nabela nyanta kol men kala bare sanya fela be siakanne bake ali mu ferle ke pour kamulu isolate
baraka bake ilaw ñinin kar kumato saying nga jele ko covid abe siakanne tilotili aka lafa aka kafu so saying adu nga jele lopitanol jaral dulal fata dulal kutol yele wol fanam fata so saying nga je ko kuwol kata nyamen fok nga ferol dada me yalonko abe preso talalantol kan abe ntol financial time ola mel yalonko sulata de marola tarinke isajen si wol de mano nyamen comme mol melanko ye symptoms sol yitandi be pare wolem taman serol fintindi because covid kurang abe nyamen jama 80% men ka soto wala 75% men ka soto imuka taman seri yitandi wolem nyimbala kandoti tototi ani niji kolea adum bari say nga jele fango taman serol fango bari virus ola ko kolea ta bakele han yala natalo jube ba jala ko nyingala ko kolea ta bakele so wodro ya etandi ko say ba virus nyim fang abe falinkan wato ndalya sute taman serol menna saying ay taman ser bulu dol fintindi because mol ba kele kanyen taman serol lela sa fanang ay ferol de da ay taman ser dol bondi so nka mol je mel ka mol call 1025 ka fanyo ko nde nganyen taman serol lel soto wo taman ser kutol wala multi wala ida ka sea nengo ye fenki je ita test nyin tala e pare nungo fanang amuka fen serano ida sero fanang ikaje ka fola nungala sero so nyum fana mutaman sero de me yalan ko taman ser kutol lem me yalan ko nge karang bayri nyum kurang e comme ya to fo nyame nouveau coronavirus is a new virus so mbenyul be karang kan adu ngam wo mo si fal yamarol tale kabringe testé nataje ko woto yenyin kurang fanan sotole so woto nata sute ko woto nyin taman serol fanan sang ka kafu na yamarol to an na kibarol to ka fo mol ye saje mo membe jube kan ni taman serol sute ibala da ani nungo ila test nying atata isa ifang suspect ko covid sikeno bari sa sute fananko nyin taman serol aman ke covid drone ka bondi ko hani malaria jama ni doliya soto ikaje da nanga buka feng test nungo fanang amuka serota nyung ngaje malaria tole so woto walatina kumayata be covid kelela nyaaw nya nsing hakilotu fanang na sasal nimmel be jang ko malaria nyol ani wo ku sifal nsim fantang kam malaria la hani sai nga sanke wolta nga kuolke so ni nata covid la karola kabri ngaje cases ol be siakang nga guideline ol faling wolem taram bulol nge faling kabri nga o falendiroke nga guideline o de da pour isolation nga guideline o de da pour quarantine and in testing and in even treatment comme wo for example isolation guideline o ñiye même fo wolem taram bulo ñi ngay même fo natara iñanta isolate la adu ye test le you are positive i testale for covid-19 you are positive so imang ne kama follow pour que samba jara dula so wo isolation o iñanta ko kala ñaadi le wolem ite mari iñantale ye tara i fambulu korra kono natra bela suola kono 14 days ikana finti o suo kono
ikatara faye
if stare faye ila bunga kono 14 days ikana finti korra kono adu wo 14 days o fanan kono imanyan naka join public transport la imanyan naka ta ka join motor la public transport vanol wala taxi la anum fanan max inyantale ka dung wato wati ni be korra kono pour ni totota wala taman sirol fontindi akana sound dol la korra kono wo fanan nani jango suo kono nyanta mo soto la mealon ko wala bete la kuol topotola ini mo be manyannaka dunyo kono suo kono je so mo nyanta tara mealon ko so nyul mi yamaro lelti pour que mol fanan sembentu ya suol kono kordal kono pour isa long ni mo be bul me alon ka tata testero la fanata ala result soli ka positive bari man na kam ma folo ka samba jara dula al ni nyimmo be sabatu no la nyaadi la so kono feka matol sawum ay al fantanka aya dema comme nga fa nyame mo jama ka teste ika positive bari mu ka taman sirol bondi so nyimmo sifal how to isolate them at home nko wala foteng so mo sifal fanang ibajala la ko fanang ni be i topotola wala be domorle dila wala be kule sambale bunga kono ite fana nyanta ka maxo dunne ye fam protect ya understand so mol nyanta say nyin kibaro be nyine ko janjando kan isaje mol si nyin kibaro lom because jama ika mol call 1025 atol nde la fama testeta positive ta say hani say ngali na kamal man na kam because space fanang dol fanang ko de create jan nimbite kamala fo ngaw space create ni nge kamba ibe lala damento bar ning ko mbite kamala drong ya jele stadium oto be jede da kan kali o jele tensol be da kan so we do ko koleandi because ni te 100 bed ta yo prepare be not 1400 patients soto where who are you going to put on that bed and who are you not going to put on that bed ya jele so nying walat na nga nyim ferol bondi for isolation at home for quarantine and in ko it test positive but they are not yet been taken to the treatment center so nyin taram bulol mo nyanta ka nyinelong ka long ko kurango nyin hanabe mola suokono alnasi tarano suokono feka ama mo sawung nal yalong alnabe kala nyamen so nyillem taran silolti ngamel fintindi pour mol melialon ko testeta ibe suol kono hani saying manne kamma pour que samba lafitan bar mba fole ye sidula killing ni lon ko yeko receive le ko you are positive don't go out that from that moment you call you should self isolate natale ila musolem af espilena e membe caring ini la dimbaya le kacha kana mabo because men ka mabo ro fanan samanang wolen discrimination and stigma comme nyin ka men foteng so woka kuwol kolyan dintol bulu bake because we atinda fon jama sang ika sila pour kana ke fam fintindi ke test because ni mo testa hanala MTA jang a positive tay ko MTA sang courant be wolto mo be ya publish Facebook internet everywhere comme ñing quand même for misinformation wo fanan ay mol batandi bakele wala ñing kibarol tinga mel soto WhatsApp groupol kono because momo sang ama fan sun journalist wol ni la telephone ta yela recorder yele ye fem foje ñake internet o kono mo jamale be la jamaate la de bor jama fana be la le photo ñante
abaraka Mr. Balde Aisa bita ku dole to me alon ko wolem kofiti bire kofi introduce mo jamal bije me alon ko fondinkel ko me aya fo nyamen yin kurango jama e ka fondinkel because wolle ka finti bare police ole bata dole soto me alon ko wala pour ka molu sindi place kilinto wala nike mutale nim fondinkel le be ñola silokan abe ñaadi le ite atol men ka ñin kol noma ñim police la outing during the coffee hours.
Thank God, come police only statement of bondi press release bondi le ya fuko come mo Jamal Santa coffee ulale and in 10 o'clock sita mo Jamal Castile bare fada mo Jamal bijele ba mil mutakan every day iba mol mutakane and inyanta mol nyanta alon na le fanan ko coffee una start ay time la soto foko fare ni isita mama police obi na mutale la bonkona tara ila bunkona from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Mamiro wo kolyatale bare jama fana ikam fu funding kele ka wolle muta sutu even though coffee unyim batakane so police ol ya fole comme imolba mo jamal santale I contantala ko wala fana bare still now ibo mol fana mutakane ibo mo jamal mutakan ande ka ke funding ke kambanding kensangol lati dindingol ko wolle muta and this coffee unying is respected bar fana ibo mol mutakan and coffee unying fana ya niaje government ya impose pour ka mol ma ko ka corona nying virus nying la spread ka a limit.
Okay, ay sanga ngela ko mo mele ngamara ise do fo jola kangoto pour na bali jola lu sa fahamu imembe kele
ku palam ku bane on ku jolak wanjamba kasanke na woram coronavirus yambo kasumuto kanya dunia nye yan manje bukana tu galane coronavirus kan kusumut kan manje kantu Gambia chep kabirin dunia tu mo kane ko wonko mi WHO do ko wonko mi pandemic so pandemic kan kusumut kan manje kom yeah transform from this from one person to another from
etipetif
and banja yomba galane bukanak banya me etipenya ande an bukana kunifana yo galane famfa
kabajum simit
kabajum covering 50 upwards yok WHO koragam kabajum 50 years upwards kombe galane bare kunyila kokombe jitime di kunifana na fuji kero me je meno because kunifana jama na fuji kan kunifana ko le kubaje ba diabetes high blood di sumuto wano mom heart disease sumuto wano mom so na fu o bajum ka sumuto kana mom awanyila ngolo pak bara anifana yo we galane no sata mana pe tokun ka sumuto ko ken banja COVID-19 years of lungs here so na fa tokun ka sumuto ko ken yo galane mo kane the government impose state of emergency bamine kanun curfew pour mo kana ko respect so mo kana ka jupe fana ko barega ko sumuto ke kombo wuli ke foni wul ji bajeritia kantumo ngolo la ko foni ngolo pour kombo ma tokido sinde ma seni ka sumuto kana mo nya dafa mo kana dafa very important mi rek bu kana ko bane ko jolak me ka sumuto ko import e wawon bu kana pour manji respect anda ya government manko rek mena manji kan wonko rek manji kan wo manji kamo tamu ujam mu jantanor WhatsApp anda wonko regem WhatsApp annonce ngolo la ko ma send voice message mare ma muran jamela mo boliyam na fu ukanja uru na fu kan wow anan manja akantu a doctor an manja a specialize on this COVID-19 asan kenja iragu tamu jande bar fana mujika a doctor labitane yono e jebereje wono kanen kurege ja ulako dulaye kon kurege ja men positive abe man kantu me kasumuto dunia bukanak annonce sunsum bukanak dal bari wo abadi nga ya abajut COVID-19 yo kantu fanan kasumuto kubajot bukana koba kete na pujukun Gambia cases soba je high every day bukana koba kete andu njemiri bene nyasi numbers the standard newspaper njemberi bene si numbers man si jemeno andu na pujukeron do soba je fatiya chep
maliken ay sa wujike jama yimde jaay bukana ku kan kasumto ku sofumi pujuk beneno ndum ekete bukana ku jaat mon ku sanke no minister gano are nane bukan ko futore baci fikinu muya bukan ko ku baci fikinu uya yaw jumbaba
bukan ko mo nyen
nya wujike that the population la Gambia ya jutwa de ekete buka ka ko hambe jaat bajowtu ko ne ko vi bogodi ko ndey nyes
mbagadu
awjukut Yo Kasanke. Mr. Bob, I think it's better you can dwell in Wolof a bit because we have limited time.
Jërëjëf Mr. Badji comme niñ ko waxee woon si kàllaama angale rek ak soose comme lu ñu waxtaanee fii tey mooy li nga xam ne mooy coronavirus pandémique bi nga xam ne àdduna bi yëpp la daj nekkul Gambia rek la nekk gis nañ ne Gambia fu mu nekk dem nañ si téeméer ak lu teg si ay cases positif loo xam ne nekkul ne comme combo fii rek la nekk waaye yeneen place si Gambia bi sax am nañ ñoo xam ne am nañ li nga xam ne mooy coronavirus bi ñuy wax nit yi rek ne ñu fonka li nga xam ne mooy WHO ak Ministry of Health guidelines yi pour gis ne ñu tànka suñ boppa tànka suñ njaboot ak ñi nga xam ne mooy askan bi yëpp si li nga xam ne mooy virus bii nii ba léegi am na ñoo xam ne gëmuñ ne coronavirus disease bu am la ñeneen soo leen waxee ñu ne la lii feebari kombo la waaye ñuy wax nit yi rek ne lii du feebari kombo rek wala feebari comme Europe waaye àdduna bi yëpp la daj mun naa téye ku nekk su ku nekk na nga fank sa boppa gëm ne li nga xam ne mooy coronavirus feebar bu am
dañ dee wax ne uteekaay xaalis la
waaw ñeneen dañoo wax ne uteekaay xaalis la politique la waaye ñuy wax nit yi ne lii du politique wala lii nga pour mbiri ut xaalis waaye ne lu am na gis nañ dimba rek lu toll si juróom-ñeenti nit ñàkk nañ seen bakkan si li nga xam ne mooy coronavirus bi mu nekk loo xam ne for the first time in Gambia ñu ngi am nombre bu toll nii ñu ngi ñàkk seen bakkan si benn bés si lii di coronavirus bi ñu war ko jàppee comme lu am loo xam ne lu am la moytu toppa guidelines si pour aar suñu bopp ak suñu njaboot ak community bi.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bob. Mr. Gando, I think finally I will come to you to give a final analysis of the situation.
Yeah, thank you very much, and my colleague panelists for that brilliant deliberation. As you know, finally, I would like to give my advice to the general public to be more conscious, to be more, responsible, because as this COVID-19 response is concerned, the fight is two-way. Government have to do what they have to do, but the population also have to do what they have to do. And part of what the population should do, I think now the focus should be on that, because the government, they are doing all that it is in their powers that they are doing, because we are testing, we are quarantining, we are treating, we are following up people. All that is government. But now when it comes to the side of the population, we should make sure we adhere to the regulations. We should wash our hands every day and make sure that is always, done continually and put on our masks.
Aisa, finally?
Yeah, I would like to urge everybody, especially journalists, that we are also being hard hit. We've been affected. We've seen our colleagues being hit. We want to tell everybody to be very cautious, follow the precautions, take your time, make sure you know what you're doing. Let's observe our social distance. This is really important for us to observe.
Mr.
Thank
Bob?
you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Badji. I will thank Ahmadiyya Muslim Television for the opportunity and then telling the public that COVID-19 is real and is killing people every day. So let's take the virus seriously to protect ourselves, our families, and the general population.
Well, thank you very much. I think time is not on our side. We are closing our program. Thank you very much. Aisa Tamba, Standard Newspaper Program Officer, Network of Journalists on Disaster Risk Reduction, and Mr. Chono Omar Bob, Point Newspaper, Secretary General of the Disaster Risk Reduction, and of course our friend and colleague in the fight against this pandemic, Mr. Jibril Gando Balde, Health Officer, for your wonderful inspirations. You have been sensitizing the public on this issue since March, and I'm sure since December, and I'm sure
our case in March.
In March, exactly so. So I'm sure people are taking it seriously, because if you see the number of people now wearing the mask is increasing compared to the last 3 to 4 months back. So thank you very much, my colleague in the media. I'm your host, Noah Baji. Thank you very much.